Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi for your laptop. Connecting to a wireless network is quite straightforward. First, locate the Wi-Fi icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it to reveal a list of available networks. Select the one you wish to join, enter the password if it's a secured network, and then click Connect. In just a few moments, your laptop should be successfully connected and ready to browse the internet. Sometimes, you might encounter a few hiccups with your Wi-Fi connection. A simple yet effective first step is to restart both your laptop and your wireless router. This often resolves minor glitches. Also, double-check that your laptop's Wi-Fi adapter is enabled. Ensure you are entering the correct password, as a single incorrect character can prevent connection. Moving closer to your router can also significantly improve a weak signal. To get the best performance from your Wi-Fi, consider a few key adjustments. Position your router in a central location within your home to ensure even signal distribution. Try to keep it away from other electronic devices like microwaves or cordless phones, which can cause interference. Regularly updating your laptop's Wi-Fi drivers can also enhance speed and stability. For even faster speeds, a dual-band router operating on both 2.4 and 5 GHz frequencies is a great option. Finally, let's talk about Wi-Fi security. Always use a strong, unique password for your home network, ideally one that is at least 12 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Enable WPA3 encryption on your router for the highest level of protection. Exercise caution when using public Wi-Fi, as these networks are often less secure. And remember to regularly update your router's firmware to protect against potential security vulnerabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.